So much to learn about, it'll make you wanna shout, Blippi! So much to learn about, it'll make you wanna shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi! And today, you and I are gonna draw an animal. And this animal is an animal that cowboys and cowgirls love to ride. And they go, yee-haw! And it gallops. Yeah, a horse. And today, you and I are gonna draw a brown horse. So let's start with an oval right there, a rectangle for the neck, and then a big oval right there. Ooh, and some rectangles for the legs. Yeah, this is looking like a beautiful horse. And then let's draw the mane. Whoa, very nice. Can't forget about that ear. Ooh, and a smiley face. And the tail. Whee! Whoa! Horses are amazing and they love to run. Whoa! Now, does that look like a beautiful horse that you would love to ride? I know, me too. Well, if you love drawing with me and want to draw some more, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Yeah. Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye.
Come on everyone, let's make learning fun. So much to learn about, it'll make you wanna shout, Blippi! So much to learn about, it'll make you wanna shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi. Have you ever been to a water park and went down a water slide? They are so much fun. Hey, why don't you and I draw a water slide together? Okay, I'm gonna draw a green water slide. First, I'm gonna start by drawing a letter S. Wow, what a great letter. Wow, it looks so cool. I love the letter S. Okay, then we'll draw another letter S right next to it, and then we'll connect them just like that. Whoa, with a small oval down there. And then let's draw a square up here. This is how you get into the water slide. And you can't forget about the ladder. Whoa, just like that, with some lines for the steps. Whoa, and then what's it missing? Water! Yeah! You spit out at the bottom and then go into the water. Whoa, they are so fun! I love water slides and I love drawing with you. If you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Yeah. Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye.
Come on everyone, let's make learning fun. So much to learn about, it'll make you wanna shout, Blippi! So much to learn about, it'll make you wanna shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi. Are you ready to draw a kite with me? This is gonna be so much fun. To draw a kite, there's many different shapes, but you and I are gonna draw a diamond-shaped kite. Okay, I'm gonna take the color red. You can use any color you want, because kites are so colorful. And let's draw a diamond. See those four sides? Just like that. And then I'm gonna take the color blue and draw a vertical line, just like that. And then a horizontal line. And I'm gonna take a new color, the color green, and make a tail. Woohoo, yeah! You know how some have really long tails? Yeah, that just fly in the wind. Whoa! And then I'm gonna take the color black. And what do you hold on to? Yeah, you hold on to a handle, and that handle has a very long string. And when the kite is so high in the air, yeah, you're holding on to it. Woohoo! So let's draw that string. Woohoo! Yeah, all the way down to the ground with the handle. There we go. Wow, that was so much fun drawing with you. If you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye.
Come on everyone, let's make learning fun. So much to learn about, it'll make you wanna shout, Blippi! So much to learn about, it'll make you wanna shout, Blippi!
I'll be right there. I'm almost there. Whoa! Hey, it's me, Blippi. I was running a bit late. Oh, that's a great idea. Why don't we draw a clock together? Okay, let me take the color black, yeah, and draw a big circle. There we go. All right, and then let's draw a small circle right in the middle. Whoa, it kind of looks like an eyeball, but we're drawing a clock. All right, to draw a clock, we need to write the numbers 1 through 12 around the whole thing. So here we go. Let's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There we go. And there's 2 hands. Yeah, the shorter hand is to tell what hour it is, and the longer hand is to tell what minute it is. Let's draw the shorter hand pointing to the number 12. Let's draw a long one pointing to the number 3. It's 12:15. Whoa, great! Wow, I sure do love drawing with you. And if you love drawing with me and want to draw some more, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again.
Come on, everyone, let's make learning fun. So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout. Blippi! So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout. Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi. Are you ready to draw something with me? Yeah, today you and I are gonna draw an alligator. I know this is an alligator and not a crocodile stuffed animal because of its snout. Do you see how rounded it is? Yeah, alligators have rounded snouts. If this is a crocodile, it would come up to a point and back down. So today, you and I are gonna draw an alligator. Okay, here you go, buddy. You can stay right there. Okay, I'm gonna take the color green and start with its snout. So remember, let's draw a sideways U. Yeah, nice and soft edges. There we go. Now let's go back right here. Whoa, for the bottom of the mouth. Whoa, perfect. And now for a spot for the eye on top of its head right there. And now I'm gonna go all the way back. But do you see how I'm not drawing a straight line? I'm kind of doing it jagged. Ooh, there you go. Yeah, because its body, yeah, has scales and skin. There we go. Yeah, and that is its tail. Check this out. Whoa, now we need to loop all the way around. Whoa, there we go. Whoa, perfect. It's looking pretty good, but what's on its body right here? Yeah, legs. Whoa, cute legs. There we go. Whoa, and then 2 back here. Whoop, whoop. Yeah, and now for the eye. Let's draw a circle and color it in, okay? Just like that. Whoa, what is this alligator missing in its mouth? Ah, yeah, sharp teeth. Whoa, I always am very careful and stay a safe distance whenever I see an alligator. Yeah, they're pretty dangerous, but they're also really cool creatures to look at from afar. Okay, let's draw some teeth right here. Whoa, so cool. There we go. Whoa, what sharp teeth it has. Oh, and let's get a nostril right up front, right there, so then it can smell. Wow, that was so much fun drawing an alligator with you. And remember how to tell the difference between an alligator and a crocodile. An alligator has a nice rounded snout, but a crocodile has a nice pointed snout. Whoa, that was so much fun drawing with you. If you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye.
Come on, everyone, let's make learning fun. So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout. Blippi! So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout. Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and I have a great idea. Why don't you and I draw my best friend's watch? Yeah, Meekah's watch. And do you know what color it is? Yeah, it's purple and yellow, her 2 favorite colors. But I'm gonna take purple and start by doing a very small circle right in the middle, and then a larger circle like that. Whoa, it kind of looks like an eye, right? And then we'll do 4 lines, just like that. Whoa! All right, now we have to draw a circle around it, but we need to do some bumps. All right, so like this, bump out, bump in. Whoa, bump out, bump in. Bump out, bump in. Bump out, bump in. Whoa! Now that looks like the watch's face. And then we need to draw all the way to the top, like that, and all the way to the bottom. Yeah, and that's how you put it on your wrist. And this side right here has circles. Yeah. Whoa, that looks so good. If you love drawing with me and want to draw some more, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye.
Come on, everyone, let's make learning fun. Blippi. So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi. And do you like donuts? Yeah, I do too, but I only eat donuts after I eat a nice big healthy meal. But today, you and I get to draw a donut. All right, let's first take this brown marker and draw a big circle. There we go, just like that. And let's draw a smaller circle on the inside. Now it looks like you can hold that donut, huh? Nom, 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 nom. But it doesn't look tasty without frosting, right? I know. I should probably take my pink marker and then draw some frosting right there. Whoa, now that looks tasty, right? I know, but we'll make it even tastier is sprinkles. So let me take this purple marker and make some sprinkles. There we go. Wow, pink frosting and purple sprinkles. Whoa, now that looks like a yummy donut. Whoa, if you like donuts and you love drawing with me and you want to draw some more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Yeah, B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Hello, gorilla. Hey, it's me, Blippi. And today, you and I are gonna draw a gorilla. Whoa, gorillas are so big. This one's really small, because it's just a stuffed animal. Whoa, yeah, and gorillas, they grunt. That's how they communicate. And how you and I communicate is by talking. Whoa, to draw a gorilla, I'm gonna take the color black and draw a circle. Yeah, that's the gorilla's head. And then an oval for the body. Whoa, there we go. Wow. Oh, let's connect that just right there. And now let's draw an oval for the mouth area. Yeah, and where the nose is as well. So let's draw the nose. That's how they smell. So let's draw a line like that, over and down, and now 2 dots. And then a big smile, because this gorilla is very happy. Okay, let's draw 2 circles just like that, and let's fill them in. All right, there we go. These are the gorilla's eyes. Yeah, there we go. How do they look? Pretty good so far, right? Whoa, wow. All right, now for an M. There we go. Whoa, it's starting to look like a gorilla, right? I know! Oh, there we go. And now let's draw some ears. Oop. 1 ear right there. 1 ear right there. Hello, I can hear you, gorilla. Whoa, that's how they hear. Okay, let's go like that. And then 2 arms. Yeah, just like you and me. Okay, let's go like this. Whoa, whoop. Whoa, there we go. A very long arm. Yeah, their arms are very long. There we go. And now, some circles for the feet. Yeah, that's all you really need. Whoa, so you have 2 arms, 1, 2, and 2 legs. 1, 2, yeah, with the feet. And let's draw an oval right here for the body to give it a little bit of pizzazz. Wow, wasn't that so much fun drawing a gorilla together? Yeah, I had such a fun time with you. Whoa, couldn't forget the fingers. Yeah, 5, just like you and me. Wow, if you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye.
So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi. Today, you and I are gonna draw a monster. There's so many different kinds of monsters. There's scary monsters, there's silly monsters, there's even happy monsters. But today, I'm gonna draw a silly monster. So first, I'm gonna take the green and draw 3 eyes. Yeah, just like that. Whoa, there we go. Oh, this is gonna be a fun monster. Then I'm gonna take purple and draw the body. Ooh, I'm gonna draw around those eyes, just like that. Whoa, and then the body. Whoa, nice and wide. And then I'm gonna take blue and draw some tentacles. Whoa, whoa, wee, squiggly lines. Here's some over here. Whoa, whoa, yeah, that's awesome. What about some legs and feet? Legs and feet. There we go. And then what about the mouth? Yeah, wee! Look at that silly mouth. And there's the tongue right there. And how about some sharp teeth? Oh, is that a silly monster or a silly monster? Well, if you like drawing with me and want to draw some more, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye.
Come on, everyone, let's make learning fun. So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
I was just acting like a bear. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Speaking of a bear, why don't we draw a bear together? Wow, bears are so cute. They're cuddly, ooh, like a teddy bear. But bears in the wild you want to stay away from. All right, first let's draw a circle for the head. There we go. And then an oval for the body. Ooh, and then, yeah, for the nose right there. Ooh, and another circle for the eye. Ooh, and a button nose. There we go. Oh, doesn't that start to look like a bear right now? Yeah, and then for the body, ooh, and one arm right there, a leg, another leg, and the arm. Wow. Oh, can't forget about the 2 cute little ears up there. Rah. Wasn't this fun drawing a bear with me? Yeah, I love drawing with you. If you want to draw some more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you later. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Do you like to draw? I do too. Let's draw an animal together. Okay, you can guess what animal it is. It's really tall, has a really long neck. Yeah, and they live in Africa. Yeah, a giraffe. Let's draw a giraffe together. First, let's draw the head. Ooh, there we go. 2 little ears, just like that. Oh, and then on top, they have these things called ossicones. Yeah, they kind of look like horns, but they're a lot cuter. All right, 2 small eyes. There we go. And then 2 nostrils, and then a smiley face. Nose, mouth, and eyes. All right, now let's draw the really long neck. Yeah, there we go. And then there's the body. Oh, and then it has 4 legs. There we go. And then the feet. Perfect. And the tail. Whoa. Whoa. And you can't forget about all the spots. Just like that. Oh, there we go. So cute. Wasn't this so much fun drawing a giraffe together? Yeah. If you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye.
So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi. Today, you and I are gonna draw a ladybug. Not just any ladybug, the CoComelon ladybug. All right, first we need to grab a black marker. Okay, let's draw a circle right here for the head. Ooh, and a big circle or oval for the body. And then we have some legs right here. Whoa, yeah! Starting to look like a ladybug, right? What does the ladybug have on its back? Yeah, black circles. There we go. Whoa, ladybugs are so cute. I love how they fly. Yeah, they're just so free. And then we have a couple antennas. Yeah, just like that. And then an eye. Yeah. Whoa, there she is. Okay, and what else do we need? Yeah, the color red. Here we go. Yeah. Whoa, I love coloring. Whoa, so cute. Well, if you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Yeah, ready? Blippi. Blippi. See you again. Bye-bye.
Come on, everyone, let's make learning fun. Blippi. So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout. Blippi. So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout. Blippi.
Hey, it's me, Blippi. Have you ever wanted to be an astronaut and go into outer space? Yeah, me too. Maybe you and I should draw a rocket ship together. Well, let's use the color purple. Yeah, rocket ships are how astronauts get into outer space. So let's draw a point right up top. Looks like the start of a triangle, right? And then these two lines go straight down. And if you connected right there and right there, which we won't, that would be a rectangle. Instead, we're gonna draw a circle for the porthole. All right, let's draw a really small rectangle down here. There we go. And then we need some fins. Yeah, a couple straight lines just like that. Whoa, this rocket looks fast, doesn't it? And then a straight line right there to make another rectangle. Ooh, some dots. Yeah, for some bolts, so it stays all connected. And then some flames. Yeah! Whoa! Wasn't that so much fun? Wow! If you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Yeah. Ready? Blippi. Blippi. All right, see you again.
Come on, everyone, let's make learning fun. Blippi. So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout. Blippi. So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi! Rah! Today, you and I are gonna draw a shark. Not just any shark, a great white shark. Yeah, do you know what color they are? Yeah, the color gray. Gray on top, white on the bottom. All right, let's take our gray marker and make a curved line, make a point, come back. Whoa, and now for the tail. Whoa, yeah, look at that. That's a great start. All right, now we need to make some fins. There we go. All right. Yeah, it's really looking like a shark now. Look at all those angles and points. They kind of look like triangles, don't they? All right, now let's draw a line right through here. Wow, and now we need to draw the teeth. Rah! So pointy and sharp. Ah! And a nice circle for an eye. Whoa! Did you know great white sharks, on average, they grow to 15 feet in length. That's about 4.5 meters. Well, if you love drawing with me and want to draw some more, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye.
Blippi, come on everyone, let's make learning fun. Blippi, Blippi, so much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi. And do you like to draw? Yeah, I do too. Why don't we draw an animal? Have you seen an animal around here lately? A snake? Right here? Whoa, you're right. Hey, snake. Wow, I love snakes. Yeah, they're reptiles. They just slither around. Whoa, I'm gonna take the color green and draw a snake. So what I'm gonna do is do a squiggly line. All right, start over here. Whoa, whoa. And then I'll make a point right here for the tail. Whee! And then just follow that squiggly line back. There we go. Yeah, and then I'll make a nice little head like that. And then we'll do an eye and a smile. And then, what do they have right here? Yeah, a tongue. Let's go like this. Yeah, and did you know snakes actually smell with their tongue? Whoa, really cool. Now let's just draw some lines. Yeah, to make it nice and cute. Whoa, that was so much fun. If you love drawing and want to draw more with me, yeah, like cool things like this, like the snake, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. And do you see my drawing pad? Do you know what shape this is? Yeah, it's a rectangle. Hey, why don't you and I draw some shapes together today? All right, let's pick blue. All right, let's start with a circle. Yeah, you know how to draw a circle. Yeah, a circle is one continuous line, and it continues all the way back to where it started with no sharp corners. Cool, so that is a circle. All right, let's take purple, and let's draw a square. All right, and it is 4 corners that are 90 degrees each. So here's one line, another line, another line, and another line. And that right there is a square. Whoa, hey, and I have a really tricky one. Yeah, and it's part of our bodies, our heart. Oh, because I love you. Here we go. There we go. Wow, what a beautiful heart. Well, if you want to keep drawing with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye.
So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi. Remember that one time we got to hang out with Bowie the rainbow and learn about rain? Yeah, that was so much fun. Why don't you and I draw Bowie together? All right, I'm gonna take black and draw some lines like this to make clouds. There we go. Yeah, there we go. And we need 2 big arches like that. Whoa, yeah, there we go. And now 2 circles for his eyes. There we go. And a big smile because he is nice and happy. There we go. We can't forget about his eyebrows up there. And then his arms. Whoa, yeah. And his hands right up there. Whoa. Whoa, Bowie was so fun, wasn't he? Whoa. I sure do love drawing. And Bowie, you're fun too. If you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Yeah, ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye, Bowie. Bye.
Come on, everyone, let's make learning fun. So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi! So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi. Are you ready to draw with me? Yeah, today let's draw a shield. Not just any shield, Arpo shield. Yeah, Arpo is a robot babysitter that takes care of a little boy named Daniel. Okay, to draw Arpo shield, let's draw 2 big circles. Yeah, 1, then 1 right here, just inside that other one. Whoa, there we go. And now we need an A. A for Arpo. Okay, let's go like this. Whee! And then arch down like that. Whoa! Now over here, now up. Whoa! Now we need to follow that line. There we go. Whoa! And last but not least, we need to draw a big yellow circle, just like that. Wow, that looks really good. That was so much fun drawing with you. If you want to keep drawing with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye.
Come on, everyone, let's make learning fun. So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi! So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi. Are you ready to draw something with me? Yeah! How about we draw my Blippi Activator watch? Yeah! I love my Blippi Activator watch. It's not a normal watch. It's a watch that I can add these really cool special attachments to my Blippi mobile. Whoa! Okay, to draw my Activator watch, we need to draw a square, but with rounded corners, okay? So let's go like this, rounded corner. And then we need to draw another one right inside that. Now it's really looking like a watch, right? Yeah, because that's the screen. Okay, but first let's take light blue and draw a horizontal line, just like this. Whoa! And then here's its knob right here. Yeah. Whoa, this is really cool. And down here I have a lot of cool buttons, and they're very colorful. Ooh, and this button right here is light blue. There we go. Whoa, perfect. And then right over here we have a green button. So let's take the color green and draw a button. Perfect. Whoa! Now we need to take pink. Wow, so pinky. So we have green, pink. Do you know what color this one is? It's the color of the sun. Yeah, yellow. So now let's draw a yellow rectangle, just like that. Perfect. Whoa, and actually there's a yellow thing right over here, and it looks kind of like this. Whoop, woo, whoop. Perfect. Whoa, it's almost complete. We just have one more color. It's one of my two favorite colors. Yeah, blue. Well, this one's a lighter blue, and this one is a darker blue. So here we go. Now let's draw a rectangle down, over, up, over. Whoa! It definitely looks like my Activator watch. That was so much fun drawing with you. If you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye.
Come on, everyone, let's make learning fun. Blippi. So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout. Blippi. So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout. Blippi.
Hello. Hey, it's me, Blippi. And look at what it is. Whoa, a stuffed animal. Whoa, whoa. Yeah, it's an octopus. Hey, why don't you and I draw an octopus together? Octopus are so cool. Did you know they have 8 arms? Whoa, you and I only have 2. Yeah, and their arms actually have no bones in them. Maybe that's why they're so wiggly. Whoa. Hey, I'm gonna take the color green. Whoop, there we go. And I will move you, let go, right over here. Okay, I'm gonna take green, and then I'm gonna draw its head, which is almost a circle. Woo, yeah, just like that. But don't connect it down there. Leave it like that. And then for the fun part, all the squiggly arms. Okay, you go like this. Whoa, whoa. Whoa, 6, whoa. Yeah, 6 arms. Remember, I said they have 8, so let's add 2 other arms in the back. There we go. All right, let's count the arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wow! And what's it missing? Yeah, its face. It's cute face. Let's go right there. 1 eye, 2 eyes, and then a big smile. Oop, oop. Wow, what a happy octopus. Wow, if you had fun drawing this octopus with me, but you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? First, let's change the color. Let's have some fun. All right, ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Whoa!
Come on, everyone, let's make learning fun. Blippi. So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout. Blippi.
Hey, it's me, Blippi. Are you ready to have some fun and draw something together? Yeah, today, why don't you and I draw an insect? Will you guess which insect? First, it starts out as a caterpillar, and then it undergoes metamorphosis and transforms into this insect. It has beautiful, colorful wings. Yeah, it's a butterfly. Wow, I love butterflies. Whoa, why don't we start with the color black and draw its head? Okay, a small circle right up there. Oh, and let's make a smiley face. There we go, a nice happy butterfly. And then let's draw its body way down here. Whoa! Yeah, very tall. Wow, all right, now let's draw its wings. Whoa, one big wing right up there. Whoa, and the same thing on this other side. Whoa, and then let's add some color. Whoa, how about this bottom wing can be red? Oh, there we go. There we go. Whoa, what a beautiful butterfly so far, right? Wow, and do you see how I'm making everything the same on both sides? That's called symmetrical. Yeah, so if I make a circle right here, I will make a circle on this side. If I make a line like that, I'll then make a line like this. Whoa, and we can keep adding some color. How about some purple? Whoa, oh, butterflies are so beautiful. There we go. They just flop around. And if you've ever seen a butterfly just hanging out, yeah, maybe soaking up some sun, yeah, they're actually trying to warm up their body. They need the heat to fly. Whoa, how about some green? Whoop, there we go. Whoa, what a cool looking butterfly. There we go. And then let's add some blue. Are you ready? Let's do a small circle right there, small right there. Whoop. And some curved lines at the bottom. Wow! What about the top? Do you know what they have on top of their heads? Yeah, antennas. All right, let's go like this. Curved line with a small little circle. Curved line with a small little circle. Wow! Butterflies are awesome. And you are awesome. That was so much fun learning to draw with you. If you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Have you ever been outside when it's raining? Yeah. What do you hold in your hand? Yeah, an umbrella, so then you don't get all wet. Why don't we draw an umbrella together? First, we have to draw a big half circle. Whoa, and then 3 smaller half circles the other way. There we go. And then we need to draw the letter J. Yeah, just like that, for the handle. Doesn't that look like the letter J? I know. And then if we draw lines like this, yeah, it has little sections that we can color it in and make a very colorful umbrella. So let's add some red right there. Whoa, let's add some green. Whoa, there we go. And let's add some blue. Whoa, now that's a colorful umbrella. Whoa, if you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Yeah, B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye.
So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi. Are you ready to draw with me? Yeah, it's gonna be so much fun because today we're gonna draw Matt the Bat. Wow, what a great bat. And it was so cool how Matt taught me how bats see in the dark. Yeah, with echolocation. Whoa. So I'm gonna take the color black and draw Matt's goggles. He actually wears these goggles on top of his head, just like that. 4 circles, 2 inside, and then they connect, just like that. And then we'll draw his head. Whoa! And now for his eyes. Whoa! Big circle right there, another circle right there, and then go like this. Whoa, 1 eye, 2 eyes. Oh, there he is. Whoa! And then what do bats have on top of their head? Whoa, really big ears. Whoa! Really cool. They kind of look like leaves, huh? But they're actually the bat's ears. And then we'll do a nose right there. Boop, boop, boop. And then a big smile, because Matt is nice and happy. Boop. Nice tongue. All right, now for Matt's body. Whoa! And actually, Matt wears a scarf. Let's go like this. Woo! Yeah! And it's flying. Whoa, probably because he's flying. Pets love to fly. All right, let's go like this and draw a very big wing. Whoa, whoa. And then a wing over here. Whoa, whoa. And then his 2 legs, just like that. Ooh, ooh, straight lines. Whoa, and check this out. Yeah, the bones in the wings. Whoa, whoa, super cool. Whoa, and you wanna see something even more cool? Whoa, some bats like to live in caves, and they like to hang upside down. Whoa, look, just hanging from the cave. Whoa, that was so much fun drawing Bat the Bat with you. If you wanna draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye.
Come on, everyone, let's make learning fun. Blippi. So much to learn about, it'll make you wanna shout. Blippi. So much to learn about, it'll make you wanna shout. Blippi.
Hey, it's me, Blippi. Hey, do you want to learn to draw with me? Yeah, I love drawing. It's so much fun expressing your creativity through your hand and a marker or a crayon or a colored pencil or a paintbrush. Wow. Well, you and I today are gonna draw an animal. Yeah, and will you guess what animal we'll draw? Okay, it's gonna be fun. Ready? Okay, this animal has 2 legs. Yeah, a bunch of feathers, a beak. It lives on the farm a lot of the time, and it lays eggs. Yeah, a chicken! Wow, are you ready to draw a chicken? Because I sure am. Okay, let's start with the color brown, and let's draw a big circle right in the middle of the page, just like that. Perfect! And that's the body of the chicken. Cluck, 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 cluck. And now let's draw some feathers, just like this. Whoop, 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 woo! There we go. Wow, doesn't it look like it's gonna try and fly? Whoa! And how about some tail feathers? There we go. Whoa! That's pretty cute. Yeah. And now let's draw the head. There we go. Perfect. Whoa! Let's draw a nice eye right there. Whoa! And then what do they have for a mouth? Yeah, and where the nose is as well? Yeah, a beak. All right, let's draw a big orange beak. There we go. Whoa, so big. I'm ready for some chicken food. Okay, now let's draw the 2 legs. So straight line like that, and then 3 lines at the bottom. 1, 2, 3. And then we'll do the same. 1 leg, and then 1, 2, 3. Whoa, how does that look? Wow, what a cute chicken. That chicken looks like it eats a lot of food. Wow. Well, hey, why don't we add some more color to the chicken? Yeah, maybe we'll make a comb right up top. Whoa, there we go, with some red. Ooh, we can add some colors to these feathers like that. Whoa, cool, and what about right there? Wow, what a cool looking chicken. Well, that was so much fun drawing a chicken with you. Whoa, if you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye.
Come on, everyone, let's make learning fun. Blippi. So much to learn about, it'll make you wanna shout. Blippi. So much to learn about, it'll make you wanna shout. Blippi.
Hey, it's me, Blippi. Are you ready to draw with me? I'm so excited because today you and I are gonna draw Scout. Scout from Go Buster. Wow, what a cool car. She loves hanging out with her friend, Buster. Buster the bus. Okay, to draw Scout, I'm gonna take the color purple and draw her body. Let's go all the way around like this. Whoa, yeah. Nice, perfect. Nice curved lines. That looks really good. And then we need to draw the windshield. So let's follow that and go all the way around and back up. And let's draw that inside that shape. Just right like that. Whoa, this is really good practice to get really good. Wow, there we go. And now we need a nice small circle right there, and then a long rectangle like that, and then another one right here. Whoa! And now for a big smile, let's draw a straight line all the way across, and an arch line like that. And then for teeth, yeah, her pearly whites. Okay, and over there. There we go. Yeah, it's starting to look like Scout, right? I know. So now let's draw her eyes. Yeah, one big circle like that. Oh, nice eyelashes. Another big circle like that. Eyelashes right there. And now we need to draw, yeah, the tires. Okay, let's go up like this, over, down, over, up. Up like this, over, down, over, up. There we go. And now we can draw some tread, just like that. Whoa, very cool, right? Yeah, the tread is part of the tire, so then you don't slip and slide while driving. Okay, let's draw a circle right there, and then a line. A circle right there, and a line. Do you know what those are? Yeah, those are mirrors, so then you can see what's behind you. Okay, now let's draw a circle right there. Ooh, and fill in the eye, just like that. Yeah, a circle right there, and then fill in the eye. Wow, and do you know what color her eyes are? Yeah, one of my two favorite colors, the color blue. All right, let's color in her eye. Perfect! Wow, that definitely looks like Scout. That was so much fun drawing with you. If you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye.
Come on, everyone, let's make learning fun. So much to learn about, it'll make you wanna shout, Blippi! So much to learn about, it'll make you wanna shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi. Do you know who my best friend in the whole entire world is other than you? Yeah, Meekah! And today, you and I can draw Meekah's headband. Wow, you know how I wear a hat? She wears a headband. All right, I'm gonna take the color black and draw a bow tie. Yeah, just like this. Oh, I like bow ties, obviously. And then we'll go up here like that. Whoa, and then we'll draw a big circle. And then we'll draw another one. Whoa, doesn't that look like a bow tie that goes around her head? Yeah, and we can draw some lines to give it some texture. Yeah, like it's wrinkles. And then what color is her headband? Yeah, yellow. All right, let's draw some yellow. Woohoo! Coloring, coloring. I'm coloring some yellow. Woohoo! There we go. Wow, I love Meekah's headband, and I love Meekah. What a great friend, and what a great friend to you. If you want to keep drawing with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Yeah, ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye.
Come on, everyone, let's make learning fun. So much to learn about, it'll make you wanna shout, Blippi! So much to learn about, it'll make you wanna shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and today you and I are gonna draw a dinosaur with plates on its back and spikes on its tail. Yeah, you guessed it, a Stegosaurus. All right, to draw a Stegosaurus, let's draw a curved line for its back. Ooh, and then a curved line for its tail, just like that. And then let's go down and draw 4 legs, because Stegosauruses had 4 legs. And then a straight line for the body, 2 more legs to complete the 4, and then, yeah, some curved lines for the head. Whoa, can't forget about the circle for the eye, and little smiley face. Yeah, but what's it missing? Yeah, the plates. And every Stegosaurus had 17 or more plates. So, will you count 17 with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Cool. All right. That was so much fun drawing the Stegosaurus with you. If you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. See you later, Red Stegosaurus.
Come on, everyone, let's make learning fun. Blippi. So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout. Blippi. So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout. Blippi.
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and today you and I are gonna draw Twinkle from Little Baby Bum. Wow, Twinkle is such a cute star in the night sky. Yeah, and she's always smiling. Okay, to draw Twinkle, you need either yellow or orange. And we're gonna draw a lot of curved lines that come to a point. All right, just like that. Whoa, very thick looking star, right? Whoa, there we go. And one last one. Whoa, yeah. All right, now we need to draw some circles for the eyes. Whoa, a big circle, another big circle, and then fill in a small circle. Yeah, just like that. And then short, small little lines for the cute, pretty eyelashes. Then a big smile. But we also need to draw a pink bow tie. There we go, just like that. Whoa, there we go. Yeah, she's so cute. Well, if you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye.
Come on, everyone, let's make learning fun. Blippi. So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout. Blippi.
Hey, it's me, Blippi. And I have a great idea what we could draw today. Let's draw an animal. Really big animal. It's the third largest living land animal today. Yeah, it's a hippopotamus. Oh, what a silly name. Hippopotamus. You can just call him a hippo. All right, let's see. Hippos are really big. So let's draw an oval. Yeah, for its mouth area. Ooh, and then half circle for its head. Ooh, and let's draw two small circles for the eyes. Ooh, and then two little cute ears. There we go. Ooh, and two dots for the nose. Little smiley face. And a really big body because they're so big. Ooh, and then there's one back leg and another back leg. Kind of looks like a rectangle. Big belly, and then two rectangles up here for the legs. But you can't forget about the tail. There we go. There we go. Hey, hippo. Well, if you want to keep drawing with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye.
Come on, everyone, let's make learning